Hi friends! I need to make some succulent mix so I can take it over to my friend's boathouse that I've been paddleboarding at. She has some plants that are in dire need of repotting, so I'm gonna do it for her whether she likes it or not. Sorry, Katie. So, this is my DIY succulent mix, and it's super easy. Obviously you can buy it pre-made, but I find this to be pretty much no difference. Of course, get yourself some potting soil with some fungus gnats in it. Awesome. This is terrible, actually. This is gotta stop. Okay. Sorry. That's a no-go. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna do something else.
You don't want to give Katie a bunch of
No, I don't. I'm surprised. Yeah, I left it outside, so I guess I'm not surprised. Okay. Never mind. Shit. So because I don't have potting soil, I'm going to use worm casting as the nutrient space, and then I'll add a little bit of Coco Coir. If you had fungus gnat free dirt, I would use the potting soil. So I would do 1 part perlite and 1 part potting soil, but since I don't have that, there's fungus all over. I'm gonna use Coco Coir, and we're gonna mix. And right now, there's no nutrients because the Coco Coir, if anything, it's just acidic. So for a succulent mix, I would use either a natural organic fertilizer or a balanced fertilizer. Because if you use things that have like too high, I forget which NPK number, the succulent starts growing all wonky and you don't want that. It's like basically causing cancer. That's a 50-50 mix, pretty happy with that. Since she mainly keeps her plants outside and they get pretty dry, she doesn't seem to like to water her plants. We're going to make this mix a little bit more wet for her so that it doesn't dry out too quickly. So we just added some earthworm casting to give it more nutrients. And I'm gonna make it a little bit more wet for her, just slightly. So maybe half a shovel. So I did 1.5 for her of the wet component, which, yeah, I'm saying that because you could be using potting soil. That is the succulent mix. We're gonna head over and save some of her plants. Come check out the boathouse, it's really